Now see, let's see our motion graphics. Very short and simple. See that it's easy to do. Now let's add our audio. No, no. No. Let's do this promotion. Let's go. So very short and simple. So I made it so simple so anyone can get it. You can make more beautiful, more creative things by yourself. So what else to do? So if you want to change the music, you delete. Let's see. You can as well, you know, let's see. So you can also add like if you want it to talk, if you want to add voicing, so you can do that. That one's advanced, but this is just the basic motion graphics. So if you want to export your video, you click here, then you export. So after you export it, you can access it from your gallery, you can access it from anywhere. So the next thing I'll be showing you is how to get your results and how to remove your background for free. So let's go there. So now we're going to use Chrome to generate all our resources so that it's easy for you. You see that motion graphics is very easy, depending on what you want to do, right? So for this type of motion graphics, so those resources that are used, see I will generate them. So the first thing we added was the blue background. So you search for blue background. So see, you need a blue background. See the one we use here. So click on it. After I click on it, you long press it. Then you see preview image, copy image, download. You just click on download image. Then you see I downloaded it before, so download again. So that's how you do it. So the next image that we used was a can button. So you see, you choose any one that you want. That's it. Then download the image, downloaded the first one. The next thing is the coconut. Coconut. So you choose the one you want. You can go to images. You choose the one that you want and download it. So that's how you get your images. So the next thing I will be showing you is how to remove your background for free. Free background remover. So you will click on, let me do it again, free background remover. So you click on go. So you click on remove background from image for free. So you click on this. So when you click on this, see here, upload image. So you click on upload image. So see our image. Okay, this let's do it for our coconut. Done. So let's do this for our coconut. You upload the image of your coconut. So you see that it has moved the background. So download. Click on download. So you see that you can do this for free. So preview. Just click here. You click on this free here. Free. So it downloads it. So you've removed the background already, then you can use it that way. You do the same thing for the others. Click the next plus. So you see that here we have this image. There's no background there, so you remove the background. How that window will remove the background. So let's do that for this can also. So I clicked on plus, this plus here, then I added it. So it has removed the background to download for free. So let's see if it has done this. Click on plus. You see that we have this image here. See how we have this image here without background. That's it. Make sure you create your basic motion graphics today and share it on your social media platforms. Then you see people start to reach out to you that, yeah, how do you do this? Come and do this for me. Then you tell them the price, then you get it done.